Image field, okay, done. Caption is fine, this is fine. Binding. I'll remove this. Same I got. Correct only. What could be the problem? Process is correct only. Let me wait for some time. Okay, I'll check it offline. Okay, so process is correct only. I'll share the videos, yesterday's and today's one. You also try from your end. Because I have done it in WebTeam Pro and with the same document. Okay, so let me try it offline. Right, so we'll check it tomorrow. Any suggestions from anyone? Chaitanya, you said something?
Sir, do this graphic window in SmartForm, sir. Just try to fetch the graphic data into SmartForm. If it is okay in SmartForm, then the problem is in Adobe Form only, sir.
Okay, 1 second. But here, first of all, how do you get it from the work area, Chaitanya? Here you have to go for SC78 concept, na? How do you do it dynamically here? In case of scripts and smart forms, we have to upload it in what SC78 and then we can directly give it. Now here in Adobe Forms, we are doing it dynamically. How do you map this image to that work area? It's not possible in the smart forms, no? Hmm? Any other suggestions, others? Satish, you gave one suggestion. Why we have to use append here? It's a internal table, na? It's a not a internal table, na? It's a structure only, right? We are inserting into database table from what? Structure. Why I should use append? Okay, so you also try from your end, others, I'll also try. My feeling is problem in the mapping only. I did some mistake in the mapping only.
So can't we write program lines for graphic window directly instead of giving the name?
No, to display any images in smart farm, you have to go for graphic only, na? Hmm? No, no, either it's somewhere some property is missing. I'm just binding. Hmm. I got similar kind of issue, not now. Couple of years back when we are Webdream Pro, I did something. I forgot what I did. I'm able to recollect that. Let me go back to the context. Graphic content I give I underscore emp hyphen emp photo only, right? It's active only.
Sir, here under there no problem. DNT or single code that is okay.
That is okay. One second, let me remove this. It is coming automatically. Even if I remove this, it's coming automatically. Any suggestions from anyone online? Rashmi, Anusha, Ravi. One second, let me check whether I'll get it here. This they are showing only uploading, but where they are, what is that our agenda displaying? Images in what? Dynamically populating the logo and what? Adobe form.
So Sir, you have it in SAP technical sites, sir. The same example what you have said.
Yes, yes, 1 second. I got the same thing. No, not this one.
No, sir. You just type as upload images into custom table and print it into Adobe form.
1 second, 1 second. See, they are also, yeah, they create the graphic object, graphic reference only, graphic content they are changing. Okay. Then field is string, and they gave it as what? Stringer. Image field they have taken, done, image field, same, okay, use logo graphic, done. Yeah, same thing. Chaitanya, what is that example?
You have a same example what you have said, sir. Just type upload images into custom table. I think you have it. Scroll down, sir. Scroll down.
Yeah, I'm checking there only.
Yeah, you got it, sir. You got it there itself. Upload photos, images into custom table. Little bit down, little bit. That one, sir.
Yes.
Into custom table, print into.
So just check what they are doing in the Adobe form. Yeah, what they are doing, graphic content, BMP already done. Done, layout, done. Drag and drop the UI element image field. Okay, done. Okay, done image field. Then binding the image field. They went to what? Properties. Yeah, they went to that one, same. See, this is the issue. Our table is not showing the data. Here they are able to what?
Should become that number.
Why like that? Our table is not showing the data.
So the method and function model makes some problem. Do not upload.
Sir, do we need to use update or modify statement like this?
No. Why insert also should work, na? Let me check this. File open dialog. Geo upload only. Done. Done. They are using modify. They are using modify.
Very easy.
I'm using insert. Doesn't matter, na? Hmm? One second. Let me go to this class once. Last attempt, otherwise we'll discuss tomorrow. I'll do one thing. I'll work with small change. What is the default value for file type?
Yes.
ASCII. What is the other value?
Binary.
Let me try this once.
This one, smart form also.
Smart form also we are converting into PDF. equal to what is this? Binary. Let me try last attempt. Okay, I'll say 6. Execute this. Let me check the table once. Why it is not showing the data? That's what I am trying to understand. Okay.
Okay.
What is the issue?
Number is not working.
What is the issue? Bin.
Binary that one, na?
That's all, yeah?
Ah.
I'll give 7. Good. I'll give 3. So, ASCII. 3, these are earlier records, na?
Ah.
These are earlier records. That's the issue, okay? So, good. At last we got it. So, if you, the change I did is, here, by default, this value is what? ASCII, I made it as what? Bin. I'll do one thing. Let me upload one more picture. I'll give 10, employee number 10, something Rs 10. I'll give the same image, but remember the employee number. What is this? Rs 1, hello, 10. Okay, I'll give what? 11, Tiger 11. Done. Then I'll say 12, Sunflower 12. Where is it? Sorry, Sunflower, right. So 10, 11 and what? 12. 10, 11 and 12. If I give 1, it should not work. Yeah, I didn't got it. Okay, I'll give 10. Done. Okay, working fine. What is the 11? Done. 12. Yeah, problem is that uploading one. You have to upload it as a binary. In the smart form, when you are converting to PDF, I think. They are also using what? Bind. Correct. So it's working fine. So problem is in our code only. Done. So tomorrow we'll see how to display table data in what? Adobe form. Table data in Adobe form. Okay. Chalo then. So I'm winding off. We'll continue tomorrow.